A very blissful morning to my dear kids. Okay, students, can you recognize this picture? Yes, this is a Diwali picture. And this is a picture of Gurpurav. And this one, yes, the first picture of a Eid. And second one for Navroz. Good. And this one, the Christmas picture. So here we have lots of festival pictures. So let's celebrate festivals. Today we will read the chapter Let's Celebrate. And in this chapter we will talk all about Indian festivals. As you know, we enjoy festivals because they are symbol of goodness, happiness and prosperities. In this chapter, some friends are talking about festivals. On this first page, you have a word search and you have to find these pink words in this word search. You will do this by yourself. So let's read the chapter. Dora and her friends are in the park. In this chapter, there is a girl named Dora and she is sitting in the park with her friends. Now here, Dora, I will go home and help mummy bake a cake. It is a special cake. Alia, why is it a special cake? Dora, we bake it for Christmas and we celebrate Christmas on 25th December. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Here, Dora said that she is going to help her mother for baking a special cake because there is a Christmas. And as you know, we celebrate Christmas on 25th December and we eat cake on this festival because it was the birthday of Jesus Christ. So in this joy, we celebrate this festival. Now come to the next page. The children think of the cake and lick their lips. So as Dora had told about the cake, water started dripping from everyone's mouth. Now, Ava, on Navroz, we make a special sweet called Ravo. Anik, what is Navroz? Ava, Navroz is the Parsi New Year. We decorate our houses and have fun with friends. So here there is a one another girl named Ava and she is telling us about her festival Navroz. Navroz is the Parsi New Year. So according to Parsi calendar, they celebrate New Year. They celebrate New Year according to their calendar, not to 1st January. And on this occasion, they decorate their houses and make a special sweet, Ravo, and they have lots of fun. Now move further. Here, just see. Festivals are such fun. I enjoy all festival with my family. We celebrate Guru Nanak Jayanti. It is Guru Nanak's birthday and we go to the Gurdwara. So there is another boy, Jassi, and he is telling about Guru Nanak Jayanti. As you know, Guru Nanak Jayanti is celebrated to make the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And on this day, people go to the Gurudwara and have langar together. Now here, Alia. I love Eid. It comes after Ramjan. Ramjan is the month of fasting. On the day of Eid, we give clothes and foods to the poor. We have a special sweet called Sewai. We wear new clothes. So here there is one another girl named Alia and she is telling about Eid. So Eid is celebrated after the whole month of fasting. It's called Ramjan. And on the last day of Eid, on the last day is Eid, and they donate foods and clothes to needy ones. And they prepare special sweet, Simai. They distribute this sweet to everyone and they wear new clothes on this day. Now, Veer, the festival I like the most is Diwali. It is the festival of lights. We decorate our house with candles and diyas. We eat sweets and wear new clothes. So here Veer is telling about festival of Diwali. He likes the Diwali very much because Diwali is the festival of lights, and as you know we decorate our houses with candles and diyas. Okay, and we exchange the sweets and gifts on that festival and wear new clothes. Now, here Ravi. I love Holi. It is a festival of colors. We play with natural colors. Holi is such fun. All. We love all festivals. So, here Ravi is another boy. And Ravi said, I love Holi because we enjoy and play with colors. Holi is the color of festival. He says that we play the Holi with natural color instead of chemical colors. So after this, all say together that we love all festivals. Okay, students? I hope you know all about Indian festivals, but always remember we should enjoy with others on festivals and try to help the needies. And we must clean up all wastage after festival. And during festival, we must use natural products. We should use such things which can be recycled. Okay, students, you will read this chapter. Now come to its back exercise. First of all, B part we have who said this? Name the children. The first one, I will go home and help mummy bake a cake. Who said? Yes, Dora. Dora said that she is going to home for helping her mother. And the next, oh Navroj, we make a special sweet called Ravo. Yes, Ava said this. And the third, it comes after Ramjan. Who said? Yes, Alia said. And the fourth, it is the festival of lights. Who said? Yes, we likes the festival of lights, Diwali. Now, C part, read the name of festival, number of the picture. Here the first picture we have, yes, this is the Diwali picture. And this one, yes, this is a Eid picture. And this one, it's a Bihu. Bihu is the Assamese festival. And the next, this is a Pongal. And Tamil people are celebrated the Pongal festival. Now, move on the next page. The D part we have, read the words on the word walls. Fill in the blanks with words from the word walls. You have to fill up the fill-ups from this. And the first one is here, Ravi will dash his uniform to school. Yes, answer will be wear. And the second, let us dash in the park. So here answer will meet. Let us meet in the park. And the third, Neha wore a dash dress. So she wore a pink dress. And the fourth, please call the doctor. Grandma is sick. Now C part, change the first letter of each word to make a new word. Read the clue in the brackets for help. So here you have already given these words. You have to change the first word of each word. And the first is play. And something you play with. So we will change this P to C. So it will be clay. Play, clay. And house, mouse. We will change here H to M. So house, mouse. And third, sweet, tweet, a bird sound. And the fourth, ear, bear, a wild animal. And the fifth, love, dove. And dove is a bird. And the sixth, silk, milk. Cow gives us milk. Okay, now move on. The F part we have, Write two rhyming words for each verse. You have to write the rhyming words. You can write the words from your side. The first one is here: hat, bat, cat, and you can make from your side. And the second, man, fan, pan. And third, cook, book, and hook. Now come to the next page. The H part we have. Match the words that go together. Read them aloud. You have to match the words that goes together always, like paper, pencil. Okay, door, window, cup, saucer. And the next, bread, butter, table, chair. And now the next part, use and to fill the blanks, read the words. We have to use the and. The first one is here, a fruit and a vegetable. And here, a table and a chair, a fork and a spoon. And here, a cat and a mouse. Here, a boy and a girl, a sock and a shoe, an ant and a dove, and last one, a rabbit and a tortoise. Now come to the last page. Here, the L part. This is a homework for you. You have to write about the festival you like most. Use the words from the box. You can use these words, okay, whatever you are going to write. So this is a homework for you. Now I have a book work for you. Words to learn. The first word is here: clothes, special, natural, festival, and decorate. Students, you will learn these words. And after this, I have a homework, picture composition as your homework. Here, I have a picture for you and you have to observe this picture very carefully. Later on, you will write the sentences on the picture. As I have told you, first of all, we always write about the place. Later on, objects, actions, the people, okay? You will do this homework by yourself. So it's enough for today. Have a nice day.